I have an interesting experience today that I'd like to share. Someone says they want to travel overseas, but they have not renewed the passport. They have not renewed the passport since like 2016, many years, right? And someone also couldn't travel overseas because they even haven't got their own passport. So I asked them, why don't you even get your passport ready? Isn't that you may be able to travel anytime that you want? Not sure. When there's only an emergency, they start to renew the passport or find a passport. Why would people want to do that? Isn't that having a passport ready is is important? Because anytime if there's an opportunity to travel or to be able to do something, uh, it is there, right? Let's say what if someone says, "Hey, come and collect a check tomorrow," and you have to travel overseas, and the check is whatever the amount, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, whatever. The check is yours. You're entitled it, but you have to collect it today, travel, fly, or tomorrow. Don't have a passport, then what do you do? Now, why am I sharing you this? What's that got to do with investing or trading? Everything. Do you know why? Because I've seen people, yes, I want to make a lot of money on investing. I want to create a huge amount in my portfolio. Okay, that's it. Oh, fantastic. Good to have that dream. Good to have that goal. What are you doing about it? Yeah, I've been attending many training. Yeah, okay. Besides attending training, what do you do beyond attending the training? I'm still attending a training, taking a lot of notes. A fantastic 90-minute session, 3 days event. I enroll a lot of courses, still attending. So beyond attending, what do you do? Uh, then become silent. So what I'm saying is, why are people not doing something towards their goal? Maybe they think the goal is too big. They couldn't even move on to the next step, move the needle to another steps. So let me give an example. If you're in the investing arena, beyond trading, beyond attending the training, pick one piece of assignment or work that can progress you to move forward. Okay, let's move trading aside. Let's say you wanted to actually visit a place, whether it's Tibet or Europe or wherever the place in the world. You dream of going to that place. So what's your action item? Yeah, dream first. Then after that, okay, I schedule a date. I plan for the next 3 months, next year, plan for the date. What is that trigger point that show that you are committed beyond just planning? Pick the date, book the flight ticket, pick the date, book the hotel, right? And what is hotel usually give you a expiration period. You can cancel 2 days before the event, or even air tickets. You can book it, pay a little bit more. You can cancel a ticket or pay a small fee. At least a little bit of commitment. Because if you do that, a little bit of commitment, it tells the universe you are serious. So now coming back for investing. So what is your minor steps you can do beyond attending a 3 days event, 90 minutes, whether it's free or paid? What is the one thing can be done? Very simple. Make a commitment, get an account brokerage, account open. Not just to trade paper trade, but to be able to actually get it approved and quickly put in some money. You can get a brokerage account for $500, fund it. And if you say can't afford $500 to get the account funded, sounds like you're not really serious, right? And even you fund the account, I'm not asking you to put in real money to trade live, but to be able to give you an opportunity to trade live on paper, on the brokerage account. Get it started that way. It shows a level of commitment. Yes, you don't have to put in a lot of money yet, but get it started first. Get the account approved, fund the account. Okay, so what is the next step beyond that? Next step beyond that is what is that journey looks like over a 1 year period. No need to worry about the 10 steps, step number 10. Beyond the account, what else? Yeah, set up a call at least to kickstart that journey. Set up a call, and what is the one action item after the call you can take. Like set up the charting, set up how to place the order regardless of the strategy. And then after that, schedule a time to really attend the training, to really do the work, okay? Beyond the free event. Okay, if you can get the free event to actually get you to start the work, fantastic. But I do know there's a huge difference of knowing what to do and doing what you know. Let me give an example. In a class, there could be 10 people, 100 people, 200 people. They all attend the training. And at the end of 6 months, 1 year, two persons sitting side by side have the same information, same guru, same timing, but at the end of 1 year, have different results. What's the difference? Why one person will skyrocket that training, another person sit next to it, do nothing. So what is beyond, what are the chances of someone that really do something and someone who did nothing? What's the key? What is missing? You ask yourself. Beyond the information that someone has gone through. So learning, attending training is one thing. That is called consuming the information. Now, beyond consuming the information, the other concept you got to remember is execution. Okay? What is the one step, what's that one action item that will lead you to move forward a little bit? Okay? Think, after you're done one, what is the next step to do it? So, for example, I conduct meeting, right? Every week there's a meeting. And the meeting will always be at the end of the meeting. The last item is, when are we meeting next? When's the next meeting? To look at what we agree about. So the meeting is not over until the next one. After the next one, what is the next meeting? What's the next step we're doing? It's not complete. Same thing as trading for investing. If you attended the training and say you want to have the kickstart session, and then you do the work, first one, you get the account open. Second one, you learn how to be able to place the trade. Third one, what happened? Study the strategy. Okay, pick one. Pick one strategy. Pick one trade. Monitor. No need to do many of them. Otherwise, it's overwhelming. I call this the 4 1s. One strategy, one trade, monitor the one trade until you got up. Right? 4-1. One thing at a time. Don't do too many, otherwise overwhelming. Even you are a seasoned trader and learning the new strategy, put it into practice first. And do that journey. And if you know how to execute the trade, then you put in real money, maybe even one contract for options. Get it started and monitor that process. It's a very important message is this one. Always think through what is the one step you're moving ahead in the game. So I bring back the story about the passport and someone not ready to have the passport. How am I going to travel? It's a basic thing. If there's an opportunity, whether to do something overseas, an opportunity to get yourself rewarded, opportunity to travel a loved one, you don't even get the passport ready. Right? Same thing as trading. What are you doing to tell the universe you are serious to move ahead? And I want to share you something that also other people ask me, Aaron, what exactly your method and what is the percentage of people succeeding? Does your method works? Of course it works, done it for 20 years. But it worked for me, does not necessarily work for you if you don't put in the work. So I basically tell them it's this one. To me, my thinking is this way. My thinking is not that the method works or not. I know it works. But the thinking is, are you planning to do the work to make it work? Because my trading is not for everyone, I can tell you. If someone not willing to do the work, definitely not going to be successful. All I'm thinking is right here. Thinking here, very important thinking, write it down, is if there's one person who proved that it works, that it's possible. If one person proved that it works, that it's possible, then I believe it, I'll move forward. Because it proved that it is not impossible. And trading, that you want to be people who are extraordinary or just an ordinary trader. If you really want foot out to be extraordinary, then the 1% is the one that You put in the work, put in the implementation one at a time, and make it work. That's my mentality. Okay? If one person prove it that work, it is all impossible, I'll do it. Now, obviously, that will also mean that there are people who are so scared. People think that yes, this is a high risk, those sort of things don't do. Then that's fine. You should make that decision upfront. That's fine with me. But I'm trying to attract people who are really serious to look at this trading long term, not just to play around. Dabble. The word dabble means not serious about it. Really serious to look at this thing long term. And if you really master these things, fantastic. Why? Because if you compare investing in trading, it has a lot more easier mode and benefit than other businesses like marketing, events, live event. Look at marketing. There's so many variables. You have to learn how to create the offers. You have to make sure you have the funnel. You got to have the traffic. You deal with customer complaint. You deal with staff, the whole team. Set company legal regulations, licenses, huge amount of commitment. Trading, what is it about? Yourself, your skill set, small amount of capital. And yet you can still continue with your business. If you fund in the account, you don't like, you take it out, pull it out. It's all liquid. Versus some other type of investing like real estate. Real estate, your money tied down, you want to get the money get out, lots of paperwork. Banks are involved, legal regulations. Trading, it is simple. You get the money in, money get out. Make your decision. If you want to do the work today, next week they have it done. But act on it. You don't have to rush it. So that's why investing has such a huge benefit in terms of simplicity, control, flexibility. If you learn the skill to grow it long term, top 1% to do that one. So I don't care whether you are in the marketing arena or whether you are in business arena, investing is the common denominator. And that brings me where for the first time, I decided to unlock, share my 20 plus years experience in a 3 day live event called the Savvy Investors Masterclass. Never done that before. Previously, I've done it maybe 90 minutes, share some major concept. They can do it in the time available. I decided, let's go for 3 days, virtually done. And you can do it anywhere in the world. Just make sure that you will prepare for 3 hours a day. I'm going to share my entire blueprint called the Simple Investing Method, or the brand that I'm sharing is a Savvy Investors Masterclass. You get the link somewhere to be registered. The event is coming up very soon, the next couple of days. And you'll be able to see the objective. Why the objective? I'm going to share you my formula called the Simple Investing Method that's comprised 5 things. Over 3 days, I'm going to show you. I'm going to share with you understanding options from my own personal experience and what I've been trained by my mentor, Mary McWilliams, to make it something simple. How can apply options to be profitable, not just to understand the theory. Number 2, I'm going to share with you maximizing returns, 11 ways of doing that one. Core important elements so that you can be able to take each one of the 11 ways to build profit, okay, or incorporate as part of your trading blueprint. Third one, I want to share with you a strategy called the climate-proof investing. Never shared that before, but we have done it for 20 years. Never have a losing year, and be able to allow you to master that strategy, full-blown, nothing hold back. Okay. Fourth one, executing the trade. Not only teaching you the trade, how to execute the trade, and give you assignment to do it. Finally, psychology of money. I decided that to pull in all the different lessons I've learned to put into a section, share you the psychology of money from own experience. If you really like that, then actually go to Savvy Investors Masterclass. Savvy Investors Masterclass. There must be a link somewhere to go to attend this training. So let me just type in here. Let me just banner. Okay, Savvy Investor Masterclass. Okay. Okay, Savvy Investors Masterclass.com. Go and register absolutely for free. First time when doing this full-blown 3 days, absolutely free. Only get me, okay, for this entire training. But that be good. Go and check this thing out. I hope the lesson is useful for you today. I just got inspired today to share this experience with you. Okay, go for it. I'll see you live in the upcoming event. See you then. Bye bye.